As we promised that we deliver everywhere in SADC region, today we are in Eswatini, where we have been called to install 11 tunnels. These tunnels, they are 10 meters by 30 and the gutter height is 4.5 meters. They are equipped with side roll-ups as well as the certification room, which you then use for sanitizing yourself before you get inside the tunnel. They are also equipped with the ventilation flaps, the one in front and then the one at the back, also for cooling down your temperatures. But we discovered that in Swaziland there is too much hail, so we installed the shade net on top. This one is to reduce the damage on the plastic when the hailstorm is bad. On the side roll-ups, we used the antiviral net here. When you open from outside, the antiviral net will remain closing the surface in such a way that no insect will come in. Installation is done. This is the team which was doing the job in Swaziland. Thank you so much. We cover any country in the SADC region. You are free to contact us.